coming across, let's look at CL next, and here. So this C wave, so there's the bottom of the B of 3, we're in the C of 3, so still expecting that last push up, and 3 in here, 4 in here, and this diagonal pattern with this as the bottom of the 4 in the diagonal, A, B, C. Yesterday, or the overnight low, it gave us that final little fifth down that we were looking for day trading wise yesterday, and has bounced. That low that we have made pre-market this morning absolutely has to hold. If that gets taken out, then this count is not correct, and the top of this 3 here is here, and we've got an A, B, and we're in a C down to 58.5 to 61.5, this area here, which are the 764 1.0 bottom up fibs. That's the alternative. If we take out yesterday or the pre-market low, that's where we're going. If we maintain that, then this count is the operative one, and we should be going up towards 77 to 78 next in CL. Coming down the time frames, this is the next region that we've got to take out. Okay, we've got to take the top of this 4 out, top of the B out, then this region, and then we should be on our way up there. And we must maintain below, above the spike low overnight, which is at 64.43. The technical invalidation of the count to immediately higher is at 63.42. But I think, you know, we've got enough chances here. We take the low out again, and we need to be looking down further before we look for this last move up in CL. Now, day trading wise, there's that low overnight at the bottom blue line, and I can count a full 5 into it. So I've also got either a leading diagonal for a 1 up here, or I can count this as an A, B, C for an A wave of a larger leading diagonal for a 1, A, B, C, or 2 back overnight. So I'm looking for 64.75 to hold today and keep pushing up in CL to prove the count. Okay, NG next. I am going to do metals last, by the way, I'm afraid, because I'm going to take some time over them. So NG. Above here, and particularly above here, I'm still looking for that last high. Take this out, followed by this, the top's in. This is about as simple as I can keep it in NG. And if I take it down to the 1 hour time frame, 29.22 and then 28.92. Take those out. We've got the top in at the 786 retrace fib here. We're getting some kind of messy diagonal down. Take on the retrace. If that comes 1 step lower, we short this. Otherwise, still looking up to hit that fib up at 3012 in NG is the summary in there. And we were looking like we were going to take the top blue line out this morning. We double topped and come back down again. So no real clues on the micro level as yet. Right.